Are you tired of feeling like you're not getting the most out of your investments? Do you feel like you're missing out on opportunities and making mistakes that are costing you money? Hello and welcome to this video about the book, The Smartest Investment Book You'll Ever Read, by Daniel R. Solin. This book is a guide to help you make the most out of your investments and avoid common pitfalls that can cost you money. Daniel R. Solin is an experienced financial advisor and attorney who has worked with clients for over 30 years. In this book, he shares his expertise to help you become a smarter investor. Chapter 1. You are not an investment professional. The first chapter of the book emphasizes the importance of recognizing that you are not an investment professional. Solin explains that many investors try to pick individual stocks or time the market, but this strategy is not likely to lead to success. Instead, Solin suggests that investors should focus on creating a well-diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds. Chapter 2. You cannot pick mutual funds that will outperform the market. In Chapter 2, Solin explains that most actively managed mutual funds do not outperform the market. In fact, over time, most actively managed funds underperform their benchmark. Solin suggests that investors should consider investing in low-cost index funds instead of actively managed mutual funds. Chapter 3. You cannot time the market. Chapter 3 explains why it is difficult to time the market successfully. Solin explains that trying to time the market is a losing strategy, as it is impossible to predict when the market will rise or fall. Instead, Solin suggests that investors should stay invested for the long term and focus on creating a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds. Chapter 4. Your broker is not your friend. In Chapter 4, Solin explains that many investors rely on brokers for investment advice. However, brokers often have conflicts of interest that can lead to recommendations that are not in the best interest of the client. Solin suggests that investors should consider working with a fee-only financial advisor who does not have a conflict of interest. Chapter 5. You are not getting the best price for your investments. Chapter 5 explains how investors often pay too much for their investments. Solin suggests that investors should look for low-cost index funds with expense ratios of 0.5% or less. By doing so, investors can save thousands of dollars in fees over the long term. Chapter 6. You are paying too much in taxes. In Chapter 6, Solin explains how taxes can erode investment returns. He suggests that investors should consider investing in tax-efficient investments like index funds and tax-managed mutual funds. Additionally, investors should use tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs and 401ks to minimize their tax liability. Chapter 7. You are not managing your risk. Chapter 7 emphasizes the importance of managing risk in investing. Solin suggests that investors should create a well-diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds that includes both domestic and international stocks and bonds. Additionally, investors should consider their risk tolerance when creating their portfolio and adjust their asset allocation accordingly. In conclusion, The Smartest Investment Book You'll Ever Read is a valuable guide for anyone looking to become a smarter investor. By following Solin's advice and focusing on creating a well-diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds, investors can increase their chances of success and avoid common pitfalls that can cost them money. So, whether you're just starting to invest or you are a seasoned pro, this book is a must-read for anyone who wants to make the most out of their investments. Please like this video and subscribe if you are new to this channel. Thanks for watching.